Katya Santos is a Filipino actress. She started her career on the Philippine television series ANG TV and then Okie Dokie Doc at the age of 13. She later became a sex symbol in Philippine cinema after becoming a member of the Viva Hot Babes, which also included other actresses such as Maui Taylor, Gwen Garcia, and Andrea Del Rosario. Perhaps she is known for her role as Carla in the drama series Anna Karenina, which ran in 1996 to 2002, and in the afternoon drama series Dangle, where she played Iana Sav, previously aired on GMA Network. Santos was born in Manila and graduated with a degree in business administration. She used to work as a sales consultant for a security systems corporation. Santos has also been a long-time Viva contract artist alongside other Viva Hot Babes such as Andrea Del Rosario and Maui Taylor. In 2011, they reunited for an FHM photo shoot. Katya Santos is a Filipino actress and former member of the Viva Hot Babes. She began acting at 13 in shows like ANG TV and Okie Dokie Doc, later gaining fame for her role as Carla in the long-running drama Anna Karenina. Celebrated as a sex symbol in the 2000s through films such as Keka, Sex Drive, and Boso, she eventually shifted toward dramatic and diverse roles in TV and film, including FPJ's ANG Provinciano and Keys to the Heart. A business administration graduate, she remains active in entertainment with both acting and hosting projects. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 Vlogs.